Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about middle of the funnel content marketing. So without wasting time, let's begin. In my previous lecture of top of the funnel content marketing, we were supposed to generate the awareness, because at the top of the funnel I had asked you to just imagine as a normal funnel where you are seeping something into the funnel, and at the top it is basically getting aware of you as a brand, your product or your services, and then finally it is seeping slowly down, and now these are the prospects which have become your leads. Therefore the goal over here is to convert the problem aware or the solution aware, which was done at the top of the funnel content marketing, to make them the leads. At this middle of the funnel stage, your potential customer would like to know the in and out of the offer you are offering. Hence, the game over here is basically less about creating awareness, but rather direct engagement. Therefore, middle of the funnel content marketing is going to be more specific. Now, if you remember the concept of gated offer, I have already made the video of the concept of gated offer in lecture 15. Please go through it. Then here is the time where you have to apply it. Use free content or incentives for the prospects in exchange of their contact information. Now let us first discuss what are the challenges at this stage. A is keeping the prospects or the potential customers engaged at this stage, because a good amount of engagement will actually give them time to evaluate you. B is maintaining the right balance with the frequency and relevance of your communication, so that the customer is not irritated. That means do not push your customers too much. Now let us know what is alarming at this stage. Be specific with your content at this stage, because you may miss out on your prospective customers who were interested in your product but were not ready to buy it yet. Or you may also lose them to your competitors who actually applied good strategy with engaging them. Now we are going to talk about the different types of content that can be covered at the middle of the funnel content stage. A is your educational resources. Now I have although discussed in detail in lecture 15 of gated offers. Please refer to that video. Now free reports, research reports, white papers, webinar training, case studies, online classes, etc. can be used to educate the consumer about your brand and highlight your offerings in the form of your product, your services, or the solutions that you provide. B is you can use other useful resources such as product demo videos, case studies, templates, handouts, assessments, quizzes, surveys, softwares, discount and coupons, etc. that can save time and convey the required information. Now we will talk about the tactic that you need to use over here. Number one, focus on growing their interest and educate them about the value of your products and services by A, conducting classes or workshops to help build trust and provide valuable insights and guide them. B, use demos to get a hand-on experiences and encouraging conversions by getting the know-how of the real value and usability of your products and services. C is use interactive content or tools such as quizzes, FAQs, assessments to engage and educate them. Number 2 is grow your email list using your email marketing campaign. We will discuss this in the later chapters, by sending email to specific segments and gain more leads at this level. And number 3 is ensure to create a dedicated landing page for every gated offer. Landing page, we're going to discuss this in detail in the further lectures. And drive traffic using email marketing, paid traffic, social media platform, etc. Thank you.